morning, students. Last time we were understanding idioms. We had understood till 32nd idiom. Now let's continue. 33rd. Give someone a hand means to help someone do something or to clap or applaud after a performance. So if you clap or you applaud for a performance or you help somebody do something, then you are giving them a hand. So I gave a hand to the old lady who was unable to cross the street with heavy bags. Means I helped the old lady. I helped her to cross the road and she was also carrying very heavy bags. 34th, to give away means to distribute. The principal gave away prizes to the winners, means principal distributed prizes to winners. In a fix means in trouble or difficulty. I was totally in a fix when I had my practical exam, as I had forgotten to get my practical notebook. So practical notebook is a notebook where you note down all the details about the practical experiments you carry out. So when you were having your practical exams, you had forgotten your practical book and that's why you were in a fix, means you were in trouble. 36th, to lose heart, to lose courage. Soldiers do not lose heart even when they are suddenly attacked by the enemy. Means soldiers, they don't lose the courage. They are always brave even if the enemies attack suddenly. 37th, in black and white, clearly defined in writing. The Indo-Pak Trade Agreement was inked in black and white today. Means today India and Pakistan, they made a trade agreement which was clearly defined in writing. 38th, to make up one's mind means to decide. I have made up my mind to become a doctor. Means I have decided that I'll become a doctor. 39th, in a nutshell, briefly. Please tell me the story in a nutshell. Means please tell me the story briefly. Please tell me the story very short, in very short form. 40th, with open arms, a warm welcome. Whenever I go to my sister's house, she welcomes me with open arms. Means whenever I go to my sister's house, she gives me a warm welcome. 41, out of order, not in working condition. The lift was out of order for the last 2 weeks. Means for the last 2 weeks the lift was not working. It was not in working condition. 42, a red letter day, a memorable day. 26 January is a red letter day in the history of India. So 26 January is a memorable day in the history of India. 43, in vogue, in fashion. Some children blindly follow whatever is in vogue. Means some children blindly follow whatever is in fashion. 44, sum and substance means gist. When you take out conclusion of something, that is sum and substance. Tell me the sum and substance of the principal's speech. Means tell me the conclusion of that speech. Tell me the gist of that speech. 45, off and on, now and again. I have to remind the students off and on to keep quiet. Means I have to remind the students every now and then that they have to keep quiet. 46, bag and baggage means with all belongings. Deepak left the house with bag and baggage. Means Deepak left the house with all his belongings, with all his things. 47, ups and downs, success and failure. He has experienced many ups and downs in his life. Means he has seen success as well as failure in his life. 48, safe and sound means safely. My sister reached home safe and sound. Means my sister reached home safely. At the 11th hour means at the last moment. We had to leave for Mumbai at the 11th hour due to an emergency. There was an emergency situation because of which we had to leave at the last moment for Mumbai. 50. To keep in the dark means to hide important information. She kept us all in the dark about her illness. Means she did not tell us about her illness. 51. To catch hold of, to seize. The police caught hold of the thief after a long chase. The police arrested the thief after a long chase. 52. Speak and span, neat and clean. They kept the hotel speak and span, means they kept the hotel very neat and clean. 53. Without rhyme or reason, means for no reason at all. She scolded the little girl without rhyme or reason, means that there was no fault of the girl. Yet she scolded her, means she had no reason to scold her, and still she scolded her. 54. To break the ice, to make a beginning. Before the competition began, the participants were tense, but the anchor broke the ice with a joke. Means there was a competition and participants were very tensed. And the anchor, he started the program with a joke. 55. To take place, to happen. The event will take place tomorrow. Tomorrow the event will happen. 56. Part and parcel, an inseparable part, something which you cannot separate. Joys and sorrows are a part and parcel of life. Means we cannot separate joys and sorrows. After the joys comes sorrows, and after the sorrows comes joy. 57. To pass away, to die. The old man passed away in his sleep. Means when the old man was sleeping, during his sleep, he died. In vain means without success. He tried to convince his manager, but in vain. He tried to convince the manager, but he got no success. 59. To tell upon, to have a bad effect. Her stressful work is telling upon her health. Means her stressful work is having bad effect on her health. 60. For good, forever. She left New Delhi for good, means she left New Delhi forever. Exercise A. Draw lines to match the expressions with their meanings. So expressions are given and here meanings are given. We have to match them. With open arms means option E, with a warm welcome. Out of order means something that is not in working condition. So option A. Third, red letter day means a memorable day. In a nutshell means briefly. So option B. 5. To take pains means to make efforts. So option C. Building castles in the air. So daydreaming. 7th, to give up. That is option F. To stop trying. To surrender. 8th, in vogue. That is in fashion. That is option I. 9th, at the 11th hour. That is option H. At the last moment. 10th, bring out means to reveal clearly, to state something very clearly. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable idioms given below. Make the necessary changes. So already the options are given and we have to fill them in the blanks. And if we need to make any changes, we can do that. See, a red letter day, through thick and thin. Then in black and white, bag and baggage. Selling like hotcakes means something that sells in huge amount, that is selling like hotcakes. Once and for all, that is permanently. Once in a blue moon, apple of their eyes. Up to the mark, to poke one's nose means to interfere. On behalf, without rhyme or reason. Republic Day is a red letter day in the history of our country, means it's a memorable day. Second, a good friend will stand by you through thick and thin, means a good friend will always support you in your good times also and in your bad times also. Third, my friend who lives in Chennai visits me once in a blue moon, means my friend who is living in Chennai comes to meet me very rarely. Fourth, I was dismissed from my job without rhyme or reason. Means I was dismissed from my job without any reason. Parents love Rohit a lot. He is the apple of their eye. 6th, you need to rewrite the assignment. It is not up to the mark. Assignment is not proper. It is not how it should be, and that's why you have to rewrite. 7. Nobody likes Ria. She always likes poking her nose into other people's affairs. So, nobody likes Ria because she always interferes in other people's work. He left home with bag and baggage. Means he left home with all his belongings. 9. The director received the prize on behalf of the actor. The actor was unable to come at the function, and that's why director took the prize on behalf of the actor. 10th, these days mobile are selling like hot cakes. Means there is huge selling of mobiles nowadays. 11th, she left the job once and for all. Means she has left the job permanently. 12th, let me know your decision in black and white. Means whatever is your decision, you let me know that in writing. Give that to me in writing. Exercise C. Complete the following idiomatic expressions and use them in sentences of your own. First, it is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs since morning. Means since today's morning, it is raining really hard. Second, safe and sound. We reached home safe and sound. Means we reached home safely. Third, part and parcel. Joy and sorrow are part and parcel of our lives. Means we cannot separate joys and sorrows from our life. They are part of it. Speak and span. My house is always speak and span. Means my house is always neat and clean. 5. Ups and downs. I have faced many ups and downs in my life. Means I have seen many successes and many failures in my life. 6. Wild goose chase. Going to her house was a wild goose chase as she gave the wrong address. So she had given us wrong address, and so when we tried to find out her house, that was wild goose chase. Means a useless journey. We were unsuccessful. 7. To add fuel to fire. To add fuel to fire is not a good habit. Means to make any situation which is already bad, to make it worse is not a good habit. It's not a good practice. 8. Sum and substance. Tell me the sum and substance of today's meeting. So in today's meeting, whatever had happened, tell me all of that, but in short. 9. To break the ice. I broke the ice by telling a joke when I met her for the first time. So when I met her for the very first time, what did I do? I started the conversation by telling a joke. 10. Bag and baggage. They are coming to stay here with bag and baggage. Means they are coming here to stay with all their belongings. 11th, first come, first serve. The offer will be given on first come, first served basis. Means this offer will only benefit those who will come early. The ones who will apply for it early will get the benefit. Today we are keeping till here only.